In this tutorial, I'll show you how to collect ACH payments with Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch, and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element, open the Payments tab and search for Stripe ACH. Click or drag the Stripe ACH payment field into your form. Select the payment field, then click Payment Properties. In the right panel, click the Connect button to begin setting up your payment account. Enter a connection name, then provide your Stripe API key, Plaid client ID, Plaid secret key, and Plaid signing secret. After entering your credentials, click Connect with Stripe ACH and complete the authentication process by signing in to your Stripe account. Once the connection is complete, choose your preferred payment type and currency from the available options. When everything is set up, click Publish at the top of the page, then copy your form link to start sharing it with customers. That's how to collect ACH payments with Jotform. Thanks for watching.